Hello, teacher. My name is Lady Arteaga. I study a degree in English. What happened in the basement? Hello, my name is Susie. I want to tell about what happened yesterday at office. It was a calm afternoon at 4 p.m. o'clock when I went to the basement for some papers. I go to basement and turn on light to watch some papers. I was well until heard a strong noise. I ran up the stairs while I screamed, "Help! Help! Help! I heard a strong noise there!" But nobody was listening to me. I was nervous. My legs were shaking. So I fell alone in that place. 10 moments later, while I was in the door, I heard the noise again. But this time it was louder, and I saw and saw down pass by my side. I trembled again. For a moment I thought I was going crazy. I could hear how something or someone could cry very hard on the basement. So I went down the stairs. I thought it will be my end. I felt a terrible pain in my heart. For a moment I felt the strange sound disappear between the windows of place because heard far. At the moment I saw how trees moved by the windows of this place. Again screamed, "Help! Help! Help!" But nobody heard me. So I talked to myself, "Calm down, Susie. Everything is well." It was really scary. After that, I remembered that I had the cell phone in my bag. So I took my cell phone and called the police because I thought it was a thief. That good day. I imagined myself in a horror movie. 10 minutes later, the police were in the basement. I opened the door and asked the officer to get closer to me to talk to him about my problem. I felt afraid and ashamed of doing it. The officer got in the bathroom of the basement to look for the suspicious thief. But everyone was amazed when they saw that the noise was produced by a huge mouse that had under the table, and the wind that moved the trees was produced by a strong storm. The end. Thank you.